Here. Listen. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? It's so compact, yet powerful. Perfectly match with each other, like magic. As they were born for each other, which device do you use? A smartphone or a tablet? Classic Windows system or a Mac OS? Sleek, slim, smart. Prefer wired connection? Or do you like wireless? Change your favorite switches in a second. Whichever you like, whatever you want. It's ready to offer the ultimate typing experience. EpoMaker NT68. Perfect for Windows, born for Mac.